When managing multiple transactions, sometimes you want to see which transactions are waiting for a mortgage commitment, or maybe which ones are cleared to close. Or sometimes you want to quickly view transactions by agent. With tcDocs agent and phase filtering, you can do just that. Go to your profile to enable these features. Scroll down to Enable Listing Transaction Filtering by Agent and enable Phases. Back on the Transactions page, you see the new filter options, but there is no color yet. Let's start with filtering by agent. We are going to assign a color to each agent so that we can easily identify their transactions. Go to Associates. Select one of the agents you work for. Make sure Current is selected for client status. Scroll down to Select Agent Filter Background Color. You can pick a color or enter a specific color code to match their branding. Then select the Agent Filter Text Color. Repeat this process for each of your agents. Now, when viewing your transactions or listings, you have the option to apply the agent's colors to the transactions. Click the paintbrush. Your transactions are now the color assigned to their corresponding agent. The checkbox selects all agents. This one deselects them all, and the paintbrush allows you to toggle the agent colors on and off. Now let's take a look at phases. Remember, we've already enabled phases in your profile. Phases refer to the stages of a listing or transaction that you define. First, let's define some phases. Click Templates. Then select Phases. Here are some example phases for transactions: inspection period, mortgage commitment, clear to close, and closed. You can create them by clicking Add New Phase. Name the phase. Select if it's a transaction or listing phase. Select a color to assign to the phase. You can always come back and add new phases or edit or delete existing phases. When you return to the Transactions or Listings page, you will see your newly named phases under Filter by Phase. You can now assign transactions or listings to the phases that you defined. Select a transaction. Click the down arrow on the phase bar and select the phase that the transaction is currently in. After assigning all your transactions or listings to the appropriate phases, you can now use the Filter by Phase option. You can select specific phases and toggle the phase colors on and off. Filtering by agent and phase is also available to you in the listing and transaction itinerary. The ability to customize your view with filters and quickly identify specific transactions by color will enable you to get the information you need when you need it.